Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, Northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, Northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Norton to Newtown Square to Tolleyville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Ben Salem, Mount Laurel, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Pottstown, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, and Phoenixville. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 318 and 359. Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 31. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 15 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 51, and between mile markers 65 and 7. The following is a